Hello, this is Wambui, and I want to thank everybody who was on the live tonight. And it seems like usually my lives, now that I think about it, they cut out at about a half hour. So maybe that's what my internet people are allowing me to have, a half hour on Saturday night. So I didn't get into the blinging thing. I'm just going to go ahead and make a video on how to bling out a hat. And also I was also going to talk a little bit about making tassels and things like that. Really how to embellish our hats and our scarves that we're making. So I'm going to do a separate video about that. That'll be my video for the week that I'm going to put up. I am going to go back through the comments and the things that you requested and the things that you wanted to do, like the rainbow. Somebody said a rainbow scarf. Someone said a fall scarf. I mentioned that we could do leaves and different things to embellish the scarf, so we'll do that. Congratulations to all the people who want to give away. I was just having such a good time. I am so sorry that my internet decided to just like leave me. It wasn't even my internet, but after that my whole computer just froze and I wasn't able to get back. I tried something on the iPad. I don't know if that'll come out. But anyway, thank you so much. Love you all. All the best to you. Enjoy the rest of your weekend and stay safe.